And calculator gives you an answer. An answer is in mathematics not really the result. The result is the thinking process and the way how you came to an answer. Really everyone could learn math. It's just about the effort and the time taken. And at one point I thought, let's develop a tool that would enable anyone to learn mathematics. Yeah, then we just did that.
We at Lytris, we built a personalized AI tutor for students to get a step-by-step guidance through exercises they currently struggle with.
Our math tutor has 3 modes. We have the Q&A mode, where a student asks a question and gets relevant material from the lecture together with like an AI answer. We have the tutor mode, in which the student gets lead through exercises step by step with like additional help or have you thought of this? And lastly, we have the exercise mode, where the AI is like, no, I won't help you, but give me the next step and I will tell you if it was correct or not.
It doesn't just give you an answer. It helps you learn the stuff step by step, giving hints, giving small explanations so that you basically understand the idea of how you can solve a problem.
Finding a lecturer like Daniel was the most critical thing that could have happened to us.
To have a partner which gives us feedback on what we're doing and how we perceive the teaching of mathematics was very important and very, very helpful. And it also opened doors to make more people interested about it.
Ja, also die Sorge, die man hat mit KI oder die man mit KI verbindet, ist, dass man das unreflektiert benutzt. Was speziell für diese KI-Anwendung wichtig ist, ist, dass die Entwickler Mathematiker sind. Die wissen, wie wir Mathematiker denken, die wissen, was ist wichtig. Was mir dann sehr gefallen hat, ist, dass es da verschiedene Modi gibt. Zum Beispiel auch den Tutor-Modus, der eben hilft, den Studierenden Schritt für Schritt eine Lösung zu entwickeln von einer Aufgabe und nicht einfach nur die Lösung anzeigen zu lassen.
And there you can select the courses you want to add this to.
Yes, you can just add it to the course. One-on-one tutoring is the most effective form of teaching material. But unfortunately, we don't have 200 Daniels for like every student.
You have the ability to always ask a question any time of the day, 24/7. It is gonna give you an answer patiently and however you want it.
Auch schwächere Studierende kommen auf mich zu und sagen, super Tool, ich kann damit lernen, gut die Vorlesung nachbereiten und das freut mich sehr.
Our plans for the future are to help as much students as possible pass the math exams, because math is always the hardest topic for the students.
And that's what the goal of our platform would be. Tell people, yeah, you can learn mathematics. We will help you.